What's up, guys? Welcome back to Let's Level Up. Today, we're going to be creating a design chair. This was suggested by one of my subscribers. Thank you for that. Looking for more content, guys. Whatever you'd like to see, bomb it in the comments and let's go from there. But right now, let's dive into how we do this chair. So what I've created so far is a profile for this chair. Now I have an image that I am sort of copying across from, just get it from my design folder. So we're looking at something like this today. So what I've done is created a profile so long. We're going to follow me this profile along this line to create the shape of the chair on the outside. And as we go, we'll mold this into something that will look similar to the chair that you saw in the image. So we've selected the path, we've select follow me, we grab this, and it will shoot a profile along here. So you'll see that there's a couple of lines and we can hide those at any point. So what I want to do now is actually change the scale of some of these things to form something a little bit more organic. So I'm going to grab the whole thing, use the scale tool, and I'm going to scale from the middle and I'm going to just drag it out slightly to 2.5. It's going to give an oval sort of shape. It's starting to look a little bit more design orientated. I want to bring this bottom section back to what I had previously, back to the original circle, so we've got a bit of shape. Right, so what I want to do before I continue is create a component out of this so that we can duplicate and alter two items at once. Great, let's continue. We want to scale it from the middle like that. I'm going to go for about 1.5. And what we do is we do that across each of these. So I'll stop talking and let's just go through the motions. So once I had created the timber frame of the chair, I went on to create the pillows. This is the same processes I've been using in the past. Follow me tool with a profile, the scale tool to fit it and form it to the size of the chair. I did the same process with the back pillow. Use the fillet tool to create a profile. Use the follow me tool once again. And again rotate to fit. For this pillow I had to unsoften the edges of the pillow so I could scale the top half of this pillow to create a trapezial type shape to fit the chair. Further to this I start putting materials of your choice, but that is basically the chair in general. Now, I know there are AI tools out there these days, guys, that create furniture off images. I still feel it's much better to know how to model something from scratch. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it informative, and we'll see you in the next one.